Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and good. Let's start our topic. Our topic is place value. This is the first number. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits and its value is million. You have already learned to identify the values of numbers up to 9 digits in 4 class. So we will work in this class with 10 numbers. Okay. The second number is 8-digit number. It has 8 digits. It has units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. Its value is 10 million. The third number is a 9-digit number. It has 9 digits. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Its value is 100 million. Now, we will learn the 10-digit number. It has 10 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions. B stands for billions. Okay, let's take another example. How many digits it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 digits, so its value is 10 million. We can say it is 20 million, sorry. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 digits. Its value is 10 million. So we can say it is 20 million. We can write this number as in words as 20 million. The second example. How many digits it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 digits. So its value is 100 million. We can say it is 450 million. We can write this number in words as 450 million. Let's take another example. How many digits it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 millions and billion. We can say it is 3,921,000,000 and 4. So we can write these numbers in words as 3,921,000,004. Sorry. दोबारा से. This is 3,921,000,004. We can write this number in words as 3,921,000,004. This is activity number 1. Write the following numbers in words. You can solve these questions in your copies. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 digits. So what is the value of this number? Its value is 10 million. So we can say it is 34,800,000. The second number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. So we can say its value is 100 million. It is 160 million. The fourth number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 digits. So its value is 100 million. We can say it is 290,538,435. This is your home activity. Do question number 6 and 7 on page number in your copies. Thank you, students. God bless you. Have a nice day.